Well, hello guys, welcome back to the e-bike nut. Today we're in the land of Prince Bishops, beautiful County Durham. Actually cruising around my old town. This is the area I was brought up. It's bringing a lot of memories back. It's not very often I come around here. This is the high street, Framwelgate Moor. It's about 2 miles away from County Durham. Jeez, I used to come up here when I used to be a bairn. Absolutely crazy to be back around here. Young and loving the bike. Surprise, surprise. It's completely changed. Garages used to be there. It's mad to think I used to cruise around here when I was a bairn. When I take around here, it's a bit weird. This, see what this Nissan X-Trail is. That was my house. Crazy. Most haunted house in the UK, I reckon. Didn't help the fact when I was a young'un with my pals who did the Ouija board in there. And I'm not joking with you guys, stay away from them things because the house got a bit freaky after that. So today guys, we're going to go down in Durham town centre, city centre. Going to show the world the bike. See what the Durhamers think of it. It's kind of mad driving around here. I might bump into somebody I actually know. I think every time I come back to Durham, and it's not very often you do. Crazy to come back around here, absolutely crazy. There used to be a fire station just around the corner. They used to do big events when I was a young'un. And we closed all that down now as well. You guys keep watching today. It is going to be a mint ride. Durham is a really beautiful area. We're going to go through I'm trying to think what it's called. I used to call it Wharton Park, but I think it's I don't think it is Wharton Park. It's something like that though. So we're going to go through a nice park, and we're going to have a ride around Durham City Centre. Might have to edit bits out of this video because I'm out for the day. The bike's a bit bouncy today. I'm just taking my time so far. Cross over, down the roads. Oh hey! It's absolutely crazy to be riding the bike around on the roads down here. It's different up home because I'm getting used to it, but I don't know, down here it's definitely something a bit different. Hey, we've got to be careful here. This is where the North East Police headquarters are, or where they were. I don't even know if they're still here. But we'll ride down the road and we'll see what happens. Not doing anything wrong. Maybe it's a little bit, but it's not like me to break the law. That kid was giving us a good look there. That's the thing with Durham as well, guys. I'm not necessarily expecting a bad response from the people around here, but again, it's a bit more upper class down here. We're getting to be in Durham. I don't know if I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Everybody might love the bike. Some people might hate it, some people might love it. I think it doesn't matter where you go, to be honest. Some people say it's too fast. To be honest, I don't care. You know, I've had no real issues with it, law-wise. I haven't really had anybody shouting at us or anything, saying, oh, you're an idiot, or none of that. Apologise again, having the camera on the handlebars. I was going to put it on the side of the crash helmet, but I don't know why, but I've lost the bloody bracket, haven't I? So they'll be lying about somewhere, but I've come out today and I hunted all over for it, and I couldn't bloody find it. Look at this! Dual carriageway! This is mid. Hello world! Class! Absolutely class. There's a park coming up now. I'm going to pull off and then cross the road because it's a bit of a dodgy road to get in the middle of, so just pull in here. You can see it across the other side of the road. Just feel a bit vulnerable sitting there waiting to get across, so he's flying. Blue BMW. After the red car, ready to go. I might actually be able to tell you the name of this place now. Whoa, go for it, son. Wharton Park, there we go. Wharton Park. Yeah, baby. Whoa, what the hell is going on up here? I'll show you this because this used to be just a park. What the hell's all this going on? A bit busy than I remember as well. Maybe obviously they revamped it. Don't even know if I can still get around here on the bike. Amphitheatre. Was there an amphitheatre around here, was there? Oh gosh, we were along here as well because there was a little castle thing. I'm not entirely sure what the history of this place is. It's pretty neat to go around and have a look at it though. You can see this coming up here, guys. It used to be one of my little favourite places around here. Turn around this way. Oh, should we go down some steps? We'll try. Oh dear, started something now. Oh, it's so much better with these tyres on. It doesn't feel like the wheels are it doesn't feel like the ground's spraying off the rims. I can't believe I've just been down the steps as people looking at us. Oh, what do they expect us to do? Walk around? Oh wait guys, I ride an electric bike, I'm not going to bloody walk around. A really, really pretty place. I think when I was really little, you used to be able to hire go-karts and things like that out around here, but it looks like they've been spending a lot of money on it. Oh, should we try these ones? Come on, come down the steps. Yeah, baby, I like it. The smidgen of the naughtiness coming out. As if I've just rebuilt these wheels, spent all that money doing them up. Just hurtle down a set of steps. Here we go, guys. Oh shit. Oh, we're not having a good deal with the camera today, are we? So here we are, guys. We're in just about to go down North Road, Durham City. It's very quiet today. It's pretty cool, like. Oh, there's so many things that bring memories back. Going to the pictures here. God, many, many moons ago. You see the castle there, I don't know if you can see it. I'll take you around, I'll show you the castle and the cathedral. Guess I have to, it's Durham, isn't it? That's what we're all here for. Cyclists dismount. It seems a bit gay, doesn't it? Ones if you don't want to. What they're going to do to us. It's weird because there's so many people around us. The bike wanted to be aware there as well. And people were looking at us, get dodgy, touched the throttle and the bike was wanting to bloody drag us up the street. There we go. Right through the middle of Durham City Centre. Mint. I remember coming down here when I was a young'un. You got to talk quiet, there's too many people about. And the whole city's dead quiet as well. You see down here, you've got this big horse thing here. When I was a kid on my BMX, just to show off, you just come down here when all the nightclubbers would be out. And show off on my BMX and do my flatland stuff. Should buy a BMX. Should buy a BMX and just see if I can still do all the tricks I used to do. Probably not fit enough these days. Go through a bit more built up area. Or should we? No, should we? Maybe I shouldn't. Definitely looking at it's funny. Oops. We're getting plenty of looks. Nobody said anything yet. Just about up next to the cathedral. The castle's right next to it. Turn up here. There's a couple streets. The bike doesn't even feel them. Well, there we go, guys. This is the cathedral, Durham Cathedral. It's been on years and years revamping all this area again. I think you can get down the riverside down here, but I can't remember how. I'm a little bit lost. You can believe I'm actually from this area. Oh, I think it's over there. Turn the bike around as well, you can see the castle from here. I'm going to park up over there. The castle, you can't go in the castle anymore. Because it's private residence for all the university students, because Durham's absolutely full of university students. Beautiful place though, beautiful day, nice place to come out on the e-bike. I think we're going to have some fun now though.